guys, it's Chicky! And today we are doing the After series, but we're doing the Aftershock palette, the first look in the Aftershock palette. Super duper colorful. Created this. It's beautiful! So yeah, make sure if you like the look I created in the video, give it a thumbs up, guys. You know you wanna. Smash, smash, thumbs up. And then do not forget to subscribe before you click out of this bad boy. And hit that bell to become part of the hashtag Notification Nation. Be alerted as soon as my videos go up. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into this video. The time has come, guys. Aftershock. This is going to be a little bit of a challenge because there's like zero transition shade. They're just all super colorful. So we're gonna have to figure it out. And by we, I mean me, because it's not your responsibility to figure it out, it's mine. Let me scoot forward a little bit. Oh. Okay, we're gonna put on some Bad Habit eyeshadow primer. Get our eyes all nice and primed and ready for shadow application. I know I'm weird. Very strange today. I've had a lot of coffee. Well, kind of. I mean, I've had about a cup and a half and I'm finishing off another big giant cup. I like coffee. I had to go out today. So I swung by the... Why is this sticking to that? Swung by the DD. Got me some iced coffee. Holler. Anyways, so, okay, all primed. We're going to start with a very, very light layer of that purple pink color. It's a pinky purple. We are just going to be we're going to use a super light hand. Super duper, like barely anything. Maybe too light of a hand. I don't know. Let's see. Okay. Yep. A little lighter, or a little more. Bitty, bitty, little tiny, tiny, tiny bit. Okay. That's not so bad. That's not bad when you just do a little at a time. I can work with this. Yes, I can. Good. That's what I was the most worried about, was what shade I was going to be able to use is like the crease transition shade. I was really like, these are all so bright. But if you use a light hand, it will be okay. I haven't been setting my primer on my eyes lately. It's been working out pretty good. Colors there. It's a little more like sticky to blend out though, but it blends out, so I'm okay with it. Okay, I'm gonna take some of this purple on I don't know if you, can you see that? Purple on a fluffy brush, not a flat one, because I don't want it to be as like metallic-y. We're gonna take that and put that in the outer V and a little through part of the crease, kind of blend it all together. Just a little at a time, building it up. We don't want it too cray-cray. Oh my God, I can't believe I just said cray-cray. Who have I become? No. I am feeling it. This is working out swell. Guys, it's okay. We got this. It's working out better than I thought it was going to. Hallelujah. I got some problems, y'all. Some problems. A little darker on the lid there. Yes. Amazing. I'm so glad this is working out so well for me. But keep in mind, I have to do 2 looks, not just one. So I'm going to have to think of another look that's going to work for Thursday. Which, by the way, y'all, not that I'm, looking for any attention. But my birthday is Thursday. The big 3-5. Ooh. Talk. Okay, birthday talk. We're going to go into the light show. I haven't been telling you the name of these. Okay, the one I put, the pinky purple, was Sensation. That was the transition creasy shade. Then the purple was the BPM. And this blue we're about to use is called Light Show. So we're going to put that next to the purple, but we are going to use our finger. Ooh, pretty. Oops. All right, I'm going to go back in with that BPM purple. Just a little. And we are going to blend it into that beautiful blue with the same fluffy brush we used on the purple before. Now we're going to go into the color Drop. That's another beautiful light the blue. We're going to put that on the inner part. I'll use my pointer finger, trying my best not to use my middle finger anymore, because I feel like I'm just flicking you guys off, and I don't want to do that. I like you guys. So, that's my thing. That's what I'm saying. I like it. I like it. But guess what? We need a little more of that darker blue just to blend it a little, because it almost disappeared. Just kind of blend it into that blue right there. Awesome. Awesome. There we go. That is what I'm talking about. All right, take a clean blending brush and just make sure the edges are nicely blended. Okay, so I'm sorry, Coco, was that too loud for you? Did you hear my dog? You want like, really? You have to be so loud? Okay, gotta do a little cleanup, and then what? Then what? Put on some eyeliner? Whoop, there we go. Okay, eyeliner. We're going to use E.L.F. liquid liner. As always, nothing new here. Same old, same old. You guys really should try to get a hold of these palettes before they're all gone. I mean, Shop Hush is just selling out of everything. Okay, I'm going to pop on lashes, fix this nasty face up, and I'll be back to finish the bottom lash line with you guys. So, okay, so now that my face is done and I have my lashes on, I'm gonna go into the color. Ooh, how do I want to do this? I'm thinking. I think I want to go about half to a quarter with this purple on the outer. I like this purple, it's so pretty. And then I'm gonna go over that with, oh, I don't have a brush for that because I used my finger. Okay, I'm not going over that. I'm gonna take, you know, where the purple stopped to the inner corner. We're gonna use that light blue color, a drop. But we're gonna use a brush instead of our finger. Okay, now I'm going to take the highlight I used, the IBY Pink Pearl, the highlight I used today, and I'm gonna get my little itty bitty brush, which I don't freaking know where it is. Ah! Where are you brushes when I need you? You all disappear on me. Oh, seriously, where'd it go? Oh, there it is, right in front of your face. Duh. And I'm gonna put some of this in the inner corner just to lighten it up a little bit, even though it's not a dark look, but we still want a little bit of brightness in there because it is a bright look. We want to keep it that way. So we're gonna pop a little bit in there, and under our brows, pop some there as well. Yes, a ma'am. Yes, and then we will go in with the brow lift pencil because I want to keep it bright, nice, bright, open eyes. So let's wipe that. So keep that nice and bright. I like it. And obviously we gotta go in with some E.L.F. waterproof mascara because it's the only waterproof mascara I have right now. And not any waterproof. Otherwise it'll be everywhere and we don't want that. So this is the first look using the Aftershock palette. Love it. I love it. I am so surprised of how this turned out. It's not like it turned out crazy, like, oh my gosh, she's wearing way too many bright colors. It actually turned out nice and I do really like it. So, what do you guys think, huh? Let me know in the comments. Gotta know what you think about it. So, yeah. That is the first look in the Aftershock. It's gonna be fun trying to figure out another one that doesn't go terribly wrong. We'll do it. We'll figure it out. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell to become part of the #Notification Nation and be alerted as soon as my videos go up, which is every Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So yes, I hope you enjoyed this one, and I hope you tune in for future videos, and I also hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.